Hey everyone, I'm Arunima. Welcome to my channel Artsy Arunima.
Today I am gonna draw this beautiful Christmas special art. So let's start. I have done a rough sketch with pencil. Now I will use black pen over it. Do watch the video till the end, and if you like the video, like it, share it, and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. You can also give me opinions or suggestions if you feel so, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of such interesting tutorial videos. If you like my content, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box and also in my channel About section. I am done with drawing the outlines. Now I will start drawing the mandala patterns. If you recreate any of my artworks, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook while uploading them. I will definitely give that a shout out. Hope you are enjoying the video. Keep watching and subscribe to my channel for more of such tutorial videos. So now I am coloring the objects. For that I am using red brush pen, parrot green brush pen, chrome yellow brush pen, orange brush pen, yellow ochre watercolor and black pen. So here I am using red pen. I have created this grey color mixing the white and black watercolor. So since the paper is snowy white, I am using white acrylic color to make the beard look exact white. Now I am using black pen to add some details. I have added this ball in the middle. Now I will color it with red pen. So here is the final look of the mandala.
So that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.